Kalani chete mafana inendine mtumbuka English I'm translating. Kalani pasi mafana boma munalandisa.
Za ku nyumba ya malamulo. Monga tikudziwa bwino kuti Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika anatsegula nyumba ya malamulo, ndipo zokambirana za phungu zidayambika. Amene mukumuona mchithunziyo ndi phungu wa nyumba ya malamulo ochokera ku Rumpi West olemekezeka Ayona Mkandawire. Iwowa akuyankhula mo chitisa chidwi kwambiri, komanso aliyense anali odabwa ndi zimene anayankhula mkulu ameneyo. Tikulandireni kwina kulikonse pa
Malawi Today.
Malawi lero. Tiye tikhale limodzi pamene tikhale tikumva chilichonse chimene chikuchitika mnyumba ya malamulo.
For the earthquake, landslide, destructive, overwhelming victory that has left this country everybody shaking, including you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and your two deputies. Let me congratulate His Excellency the State President Mkurukuta Moyo for the fair, at least fair distribution of ministers. But people of Rumpi District and Rumpi West, they don't want to hear that we gave you ministers, but they didn't give you development. Let me congratulate everyone here who has been voted back and who have been voted for the first time. We say, God bless all those who voted for us, and people mulungu asise mtima ya oruza. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, let me close. I would like to join His Excellency the State President for tactically approaching this sauna without putting much information into the sauna like we had. Where the tears of people of Rumpi West in terms of 92 security houses is still not there. Kampenda Health Center is not there. We are talking of the mortuary is under construction. We are talking of the Rumpinyika Chitipa Road, which was launched, or the groundbreaking ceremony was done by Professor Peter Arthur Mutharika at Borero Roundabout in 2019. It is still at 8 kilometers, Mr. Speaker, sir. In general, Mr. Speaker, sir, people of Rumpi West, they are very happy now that the MVAC report, which we feel like Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika found it already in the office, has come out and has shown not being fair. If there is a district, if there is a constituency, Mr. Speaker, sir, which has been greatly affected by the previous rainy season that we only received rains only for 2 weeks, it is the Rumpi District and the Rumpi West. If you find some few maize that is found there, it is because of the vendors who are buying maize from Tanzania or Zambia, through Muyombe or Karonga. People of Rumpi West, as they are celebrating the win of Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, they are anticipating that the MVAC report technically will be looked at. Yes, we hear the minister has promised that through the word of Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, that no one will die of hunger, but would like maybe a supplementary MVAC report that should include the people of Rumpi District, people of Rumpi West. They are going to die of hunger, so that this mood of celebration continues up to 2030. Mr. Speaker, sir, the state of the economy, everyone can feel it. If members of parliament are able to feel it, What more of a voter from Chisimuka? What more of a voter from Borero? What more of a voter from Kambenda, Mwazisi, Bowe, Lusani, Kanyenjere? We are pleading with the government through the Minister of Finance that the way we are looking from a distance from Lumbi West, you have started well. From just a phone call, we hear you have found a mess. The president has said ministers are going to minimize trips. That is a way of how to save money. But also consider the issue of procurement. This country, we are spending too much on procurement. We hope the Minister of Finance, you look into it. Overpricing. Kalani chete mafana inendine mtumbuka English I'm translating. Kalani pasi mafana boma munalandisa. Mr. Speaker, sir, the 5 billion, I tell you, is a tsunami, maybe more than what our friends used to call it Ukraine war. It is a devastating strategy where people from the grassroots now they are going to own the projects. The challenges, the monies were at Capitol Hill. Now they are going to Lumbi. They are going to Mwazisi. They are going to Stimuka. If the Minister of Finance, you had time to just to go to my constituency, I tell you, you will have a lot of scratches because people will be kissing you, hugging you, because now the real development is coming. Real development is coming. The roads that have been troubled with, I tell you, everybody, every one of us here promised, but the laws are limiting us to oversight, registration, and representation. Where are we going to get the developments that we promised? This is the 5 billion. And everyone has to stand up and support the minister. And the minister, please, the 5 billion is just a startup. Remove every money at the Capitol Hill. It has to go to the constituencies. I know people are against every idea that a government in place is bringing. The same, we are supporting the same government. If and if Mahure andale timasinta change go. We supported you, failed yourself. We gave you advice, you failed yourself. Let's support them, they have to fail themselves. Malawians are going to judge them in 2030. It's not far. It's not far. People will judge them from the fuel crisis that you made. People will judge them from the man-made hunger that you made. People are going to judge them if the 5 billion is not going to be trickled down the next year. People are going to judge them if the school fees is not really abolished, the debts are not there. 2030 is not far. DPP, you are blessed. You were kicked out of government by Malawians. And the same Malawians have put you in place. Take care. Take care, like my son Absalom. Malawians now, can you put you in place? They can take you out. This is a temporary excitement. You are inheriting a burden to impress Malawians.
Point of order.
Yes.
I'll give you a point of order after he finishes. I'll give you one about after he finishes. He's responding, and let him just finish. He's almost done.
Malawians, they know that a DPP government in this all fiasco mess is not responsible. Yes. DPP is only 2 weeks old. Do you think they can import fuel in 2 weeks? In 2 weeks? Do you think they can change the economy in 2 weeks? Let's be fair enough. Who gives birth in less than 8 days? Even chickens, ngakhala sabwe simaswa by 80 days, in the 21 days. GBP, you are blessed, and I give you all the mandate to rule. Don't listen from the Egyptians. All these Egyptians you see, you shall see them no more when you implement the plan.
Consider winding up. Honorable, consider winding up. Your time is out.
I know that the new minister of transport would consider the Rumpi Nyika Chitipa Road. This thing has been a song for long years. If the minister of finance wants to test his power and his ability to deliver, start with the Rumpi Nyika Road. It's where people are going to believe. That
with these few remarks,
you know, the anointing is just coming. The AIP, we support the government for reducing the contribution of 10,000 kwacha to every bag. I have to promise the people of Rumpi West. It is for the first time in history for the people of Rumpi West to repeat an MP. Rumpi West simabwereza. But for the sake, I announce here in Parliament, all beneficiaries of subsidy fertilizer in my constituency, everyone is going to be topped up with 10,000 kwacha. Actually, I'm going to pay for everyone who is a beneficiary for the fertilizer to support the presidency.
Thank you.
I thank you.
Thank you. Honorable.